Hello, I'm Nicholas Merlone. I'm a lawyer, journalist, writer, and cultural exchanger. We are celebrating World Constitution Day, and on the occasion, I bring you some exclusive reflections on the right to religion. Let's begin. According to Flavio Martins, in his book Law and Religion, the 1988 Constitution, also known as the Citizen Constitution, brought significant progress in consolidating secularism in Brazil. Enacted in a context of redemocratization after 2 decades of a military regime, the new charter reaffirmed its commitment to religious freedom, the separation between church and state, and equality among all religious denominations. These principles are fundamental to organizing the Brazilian state as a secular republic respecting the cultural and spiritual plurality of its population. As Janaina Paschoal explains in her work, Religion and Criminal Law, religious freedom encompasses first, having a religion, second, not having a religion, third, maintaining one's religion. Consider, for instance, the aggression suffered by many Jews who were forced to convert to new Christians, including in Brazil during the Inquisition. Fourth, changing one's religion. Fifth, professing the doctrines of one's religion, the right to proselytize. And sixth, the right to educate one's children according to the family's religious precepts. The Brazilian Federal Supreme Court (STF) ruled that the presence of religious symbols in public spaces does not violate the secular nature of the state nor the freedom of belief, provided that such symbols reflect Brazil's cultural tradition. The decision rendered in November 2024 recognized that such symbols may remain in public buildings as expressions of the country's history and culture. The STF also recognized the right of Jehovah's Witnesses to refuse blood transfusions on religious grounds, provided the individual is of legal age, fully capable, and that the refusal is made freely, knowingly, and expressly. For minors, the decision may be made by the parents with the caveat that any alternative treatment must be proven effective and must be made available by the system, SUS. Furthermore, the Brazilian Supreme Court has ruled that religious education in public schools may be confessional, that is, tied to a specific faith, as long as participation is optional and the students are not compelled to attend. The decision was issued in 2017 following the judgment of the Direct Action of Unconstitutionality number 1439, which challenged the model of religious education in public schools. That's it, folks. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you have enjoyed it. And once again, Happy World Constitution Day.